Welcome to FDCI presents Amazon India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2017. इस सीजन की वो 3 most magical words हैं India, modern, festive.
Amazon is all about having you shop for your traditional clothes but in a modern way.
Simulate tradition with modernity, which is mixing Indian textiles with global brands.
So that's the whole, India modern story that is coming alive.
यहाँ मिलेगा आपको packed सारे exclusive trends in an awesome week.
25 years into what I love doing, and this one took my breath away.
This is the 28th edition of FDCI's India Fashion Week. And thank you very much, Amazon, for supporting this concept of doing new things every time.
इंडिया से इटली तक, ट्रेडिशन से ट्रेंड्स तक, यहाँ मिलेगा आपको पैक सारे एक्सक्लूसिव ट्रेंड्स इन एन ऑसम वीक. सो बी रेडी टू सेलिब्रेट इंडिया मॉडर्न फेस्टिव विद द सिटीजंस ऑफ फैशन और मेरे यानी आराधना के साथ.
India modern festive really is about a confident young India that knows how to assimilate tradition with modernity, which is mixing Indian textiles with global brands.
यहाँ मिलेगा आपको वो हर क्यूरेटेड लुक जिसका आप सभी को था बेसब्री से इंतजार.
Day one is always big for Amazon India Fashion Week because it kickstarts a whole bunch of great designers showing at the week.
So I want to ask you, what is your inspiration behind your collection?
Like for this collection, Chanderi was the inspiration, and we just used our signature silhouettes. I didn't want to overpower it with the theme or anything else. I wanted the fabric to come alive on the runway.
Festive this season, India Modern would be the beautiful gold Chanderi hand-woven skirt that I showed on the ramp. And a beautiful gold hand-woven Chanderi jacket with beautiful Godapati embroidery on it. Completely craft-based, but very, very contemporary and very, very now.
And this collection was like all about journey of a thread, how thread becomes a fabric and then a garment.
Very privileged actually to be here today for a show like this. 16 designers coming together. It's one of the most beautiful fabrics.
So the whole challenge is that how do I make tradition relevant for today's generation? And how do I do that? Do I make sari contemporary? Will they wear it? Do they feel cultured enough? That's the job.
I mean, when you see Chanderi and the beautiful sheerness of the fabric and the luster of the gold, it's amazing what you can do with it.
I'm very proud to be here representing the potential of our weavers of Chanderi and to be able to really put them on the pedestal because this show is about them.
India Modern Festive Special में what is ultra special according to you?
What you've seen, our jewelry, what was stunning, and people more want to spend on the jewelry rather than spending on the clothes, because that's remain for forever, and that's why we thought that okay, let's tie up and we do some spectacular piece.
All the Nizami stuffs which were used by the British influence also. You could see the Victorian earrings, the chandelier, you could see the necklaces which were a little bolder. So that is the creation which we both created, and I mean it looks wonderful.
Be yourself, be comfortable, make your own style statement, don't follow trend.
There are different silhouettes which are juxtaposed against each other. The different fabrics that I've used, they've all been hand-loom and hand-woven. So I guess some of them be woven in different colors, some of them block printed, there's tie and dye. And so it's just so much different things happening. And more than anything else, it's just a collection which is more fun. And they're very individual pieces that you can theme it up and down. I've tried to bring in belts and make it different so that, you know, you can wear it from a beach to an evening party the way you would want to. It's all about textiles, about weaves, it's about celebration. And yeah, I'm more of a weaver and a tailor, and the designer is just a glorified word that has been stamped behind my name.
Any fashion tips you'd like to give to our citizens of fashion?
Just be yourself and enjoy. Don't follow fashion. It'll go out of fashion. Be stylish.
Krishna concentrated on her weaves, her colors, and of course she made really interesting, quirky silhouettes. Her theme was Alice Gone Crazy. So it was quite cute the way she put the whole thing together.
I showed an ode to Paitan. Paitan is a city in Maharashtra which has a specific form, tradition weaving, and they use essentially large flowers and birds and motifs. So I redid that whole patterns of Paitan, whether it was digitally embroidered or it was printed, and then the belt and the scarf on it, the original Paitan borders, and then lots of this, you know, Indian things we always take for granted. So something common, but I just put it in. India Modern Festive is who we are, is what I was. I'm India. In completion, I'm using tradition. I went there myself. I was weaving myself. And I did it in the middle of the June. And from there came a very modern story, which would never be connected if I didn't tell you. up the key trends and just be a part of that uniform. And then in that, put your own pieces together.
What she does fantastically, which was very sexy modern clothing, but she used the Pantene as her inspiration, but of course in the perfect Reena Dhaka way.
It's now time for a walk down the Italian lane. यहाँ सर से लेकर पांव तक है fashion, fashion और more fashion.
The idea it was to make a bag which is not a bag, but it's the bag of the Queen of the Sea. So the queen that is inside the woman can recognize that is the bag for her. And so can wake up and say, oh my God, yes, I got it.
We have the Italians, there's so much noise like we see right now. They don't stop this noise. But the fact is, the noise was made silently by the clothes, the noise was made silently by the shoes and the bags.
We had the great chance of presenting both the Italian pavilion, both the Italian displays, and organizing the Italian fashion show in our capacity of Italy partner country. This is the very first time ever, and I think this has been an extraordinary happening. So I'm very much satisfied.
Love is in the air and quite literally so. क्योंकि British Airways present कर रहा है a very unique concept called Love Generation.
I loved what Disha wore in the finale. And I like those short skirts with little studs on it.
collection is a lot of fun. It's trendy. It's for today's girl, today's woman who is in love, who loves everything. It's love generation.
It's young, it's hip, it's cool, it's funky, it's anything and everything you want it to be.
India Modern Festive, what is that one special thing about it?
I would say India Modern Festive would be something really cool, not the usual, but like a nice kurta worn as a tunic with a belt, with gladiators or boots, and just trend it up, make it fun, and do something completely different.
A tip to fashion citizens: dress comfortable, look good, be sexy. You know, you have to have an attitude more than the clothes you wear. So if you're confident in what you wear, it shines better.
Love generation. My wife, can you believe it? I'm still in love with her.
I loved it. I think my heart was beating like this.
What is that one trend which you follow right now?
I follow black all the time. It never goes out of trend. As you could see, most of our collection was black.
It's a sheer skirt and a sheer crop top, and it's very, very comfortable. This is something that I would love to wear because I feel sexy and comfortable at the same time, which is a very rare combination.
Be yourself, love it, own it.
Love yourself, wear what you love, be comfortable.
I think comfort is the most important because if you're comfortable, you're confident, and if you're confident, you're beautiful.
Wow, what an amazing day one. फैशन वर्ल्ड की ऐसी ऊपर ट्रेंडी अपडेट्स के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे ऑन दिस ग्रैंड फैशन डेस्टिनेशन दैट इज द Amazon India Fashion Week. Till then, keep watching Zoom. Turn on.